Hi guys, my name is Sabish, and in this quick video, we are going to review the results of Trade Plan Engine on 1 minute chart on Forex Euro USD on what happened on 19th of August 2026. We had Trade Plan Engine was giving us total 14 plans, out of them 2 hit SL and 12 hit TP. What is Trade Plan Engine? It is actually a decision trading view decision tool which helps you, which reads the market from VSA perspective, and also Wyckoff accumulation and distribution, and also VWAP bounce areas, and it combines all these to make a decision. And here is a decision process, and only after a very strict checks you see the simple trade plan on your chart. There is a lot a lot of things happening, and it is made for crypto, gold, indexes, and forex. Right now we are looking at the forex results of 19th of August. I will be posting videos on my channel about the results every day for each four assets. So to check gold and crypto, check on my channel. So let's see what happened here. We got this entry. Just give me a second. So we got this entry here, and then we have this TP3 was hitting here. Here is also a very good entry where we got this TP3 on this one. We got entered here, and TP3 was, of course, you can hold it for longer. It is recommended that once you reach once you reach TP2, you can move your SL if you're using invalidation area SL or a safe buffer SL to entry. Those who wants to take a little bit more risk, they can use a bigger SLs. And then we have this entry. Very good. We got TP3, almost TP3 we got, and on TP2 you should be booking a profits if you want, or break even your trade. Here we also got very good TP3, and this one was also giving us TP3 here. But before that, price has went down. So if you have been making, no, you should not have been making this a break even. So it depends on your trading style. Some people wants to hold a trade and give it a time to build, but here you've got the entry. You got TP3. Remember, this is 1 minute chart. So 1 minute chart has a lot of noise, and just see the accuracy of its where it is posting all those plans. TP3, how does it do actually? I can do it very quickly here. So we have if, for example, if you are running a market candle by candle, here it has one clue, and it is not converted into plan yet. It needs a confirmation, so it's reading a whole market in context and the background context. So only now you see that here we got this entry, and that entry is basically because of that clue, but it does not give you a plan before the confirmation. So please read on the website. You will get to learn a lot about this tool, and you can download it for free. Free trial for 7 days, and you can also take a chance in challenge, a simple, very simple challenge, and submit, and might be you get your name in a lucky draw. So we will be drawing a member every week. So there will be one lucky winner every week who will get it for free. So yeah, so now we wrap up our video very quickly. Now you get the idea how does it looks. So on, let me find the summary. So on 19th we got how many? We got 14 plans. 12 out of them was hitting TP, and 2 was hitting SL. And on 20th of August on Forex, we got 10 plan, 9 was hitting TP, and 1 was hitting SL. You can use it on 5 minutes and 15 minutes, and then of course you will have little less plans, because on 1 minute you have a lot of activity, a lot of volatility going on. So stay tuned, check my other videos on my channel about this tool, and once you get once you submit your free trial or you buy it, you will see it in your invite only, and there you can add it on your um, on your um, on your chart, and you can actually use it in mobile. You can automate it, you can bring alerts from here to MT5 or MT4. My brother is doing it. I'm gonna make a video about it, how to do that, so you don't have to worry about manual entries. In the start, I would recommend use it on a demo and build up your confidence on that. See how it is giving you, how you can learn from it, and then probably try it. Nothing is a financial advice. Everything you do it on your own decisions. This is just a educational trading tool for you, so you can learn and get the trade ideas from it, and probably implement it. um, Take care, and we see you in the next video. Bye bye.